Hello friends, welcome to my channel Sood, and I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video I will show you what is Nmap and what is the feature of Nmap and how we can use Nmap. And if you are new to this channel then please subscribe the channel and watch till end. So let's start it. So friends, I am opening my VM. Yes friends, so you can see I have opened my VM. So first we'll talk about what is Nmap. So let me open my terminal. Yeah, I think it is visible clearly. So first of all we'll write man Nmap. So here it will show the manual for the Nmap and I will just hit enter, and here you can see there are many things written about Nmap, the synopsis, descriptions, and all the parameters that we are going to use with Nmap are given below. So if you want you can read this, but in general let me tell you what is Nmap. So Nmap is a open source network scanner that is used to scan networks. And if you talk about the feature of Nmap, the feature are host discovery, port scanning, version detection, OS detection, scriptable interaction with the target, and Nmap can provide further information on targets including reverse DNS name, device types, and MAC address. So let me first tell about the host discovery. What is host discovery? So in host discovery, it identifies the host on a network. For example, listing the host that respond to TCP or ICMP request or have a particular port open. This is host discovery. And if you talk about port scanning, enumerating the open port on the target host is known as port scanning. After that, we move to the next one, that is version detection. In version detection, interrogating network service on remote device to determine application name and version number. After that, it also determines the OS detection. So in OS detection, it determines the operating system and hardware characteristics of the network device, and scriptable interaction with the target using Nmap scripting engine. Also we can say it NSE. So these are the feature, and if you want a note on feature of the Nmap, so I will provide you in the description box. So now let's start the process how we can use the Nmap. First we will type ping, and let's suppose I will take geeks4geek.org and I will hit enter, and as you can see we have got the IP of this geek4geeks.org. So we just have to do nmap -s capital V, and we have to enter the IP. So just enter the IP and hit enter, and as you can see it is giving a message starting nmap 7.91 at 2021-0908 at 12:35 EDT. The time zone here is EDT, so it's 12:35 p.m. and let's wait for a few minutes and for the result. And friends, as you can see the output is here. So the it is showing nmap scan report for EC2 34 to 1862116. The IP is same as this, and here we can see the host is up 0.44 second latency, and the port is 21 slash TCP 80 TCP 443. These all threes are the post, and this is the type of connection that type of protocols that they are following, and the state is open. and this is the service. FTP means file transfer protocol, HTTP, SSL. These all three are the services. And here we can see these are the version Apache HTTP, and here it is showing service detection performed. Please report any incorrect result at https nmap.org/submit. And nmap has been done for one IP address scanned in 205.98 seconds. So it took 205.98 seconds to complete whole this process to gather this information. So friends, if you just like it, then please hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends,